Hey viewers. Well, you wonder why I didn't do that much YouTube videos? Because I'm in the process of moving to a different house. Then I'm gonna do a house review of my new house. Oh yeah, you can viewers, if you need to sign up, like this YouTube video, I'm telling you, get up some dares, and I'm gonna do those dares. Get up some dares. I'm gonna do some dares if you do it. So viewers, if whoever's watching this, I had some. Just type in any dares. Type in any dares if you want. Like type in any dares, like dump milk on yourself, like that.
What?
Okay, I just saw it on Sketch's channel.
Okay.
So yeah, jam on your face, or make a syrup on your head. Yeah. So yeah. You know, everybody in those YouTube channels, like everybody in those YouTube channels, they have a fidget spinner. Today, it's gonna be a surprise. I'm gonna tell you what it's kind of like. It spins. Viewers, in the comments, do you know what that is? And it's popular. 1, 2, 3. Rodney, say!
What's that, Logan?
Fidget spinner!
Wow.
Viewers, did you know that already? Did you know that it was a fidget spinner already? Look at this. Yeah! In the comments below, please tell me what's a million plus a million or a million plus that. This is my cat. See if I can bounce it on my nose and spin it. Nope, I can't.
You're gonna have to practice that trick, I think.
Don't even think you can do a trick like that. There's a fidget spinner game. I got this off of Amazon. Mom, let me have the camera.
Yeah, it's not on anymore. The video's over. Oh no, it's still on.
Oh. Did you hear me say ba-da?
Okay, say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Good night to the viewers.
But guess what?
What?
Tell me if you watch Boss Baby or Moana. Because I didn't watch those two videos. And my viewers, just remember in the comments below, tell a dare.